Today we have a video from ArrestMania, and the title of the video is 41-year-old man thought yelling his dad's name would get him out of arrest. He was wrong.
Hey, Papa! Hey, get him off me. What's wrong with him? He's talking about I want to sit in my house.
On March 4th, 2024, police spotted a man with Georgia tags allegedly driving 70 miles per hour in a 35 zone. Instead of stopping right away, the driver pulled into his garage. And this what happened next.
You got a license?
What's up?
You got a
license? Let me do your car.
For you. I'll be there for you. Hold on. That's Sims and, Thames and Future, right?
Because you looking at me like that. When you got in the car, you looking at me like that.
Stop going through your car.
Man, don't go into my car, bro. I'm going to my house. I'm going to my house. Don't play with me, bro. Don't get with my dad, bro. What's wrong with you, bro?
What's wrong with me?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with
Why
me?
you in my house?
Sit in the car.
Why you in my house with my
Sit in the car.
Hey, Papa.
Don't go reaching in that car, man. We don't know what you got. You know what I'm saying? You better act right before you have to get you together. What? Don't go reaching now.
Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa.
Sit in the car.
Papa.
Sit in the
I don't
car.
have to sit in my car.
Yeah, you do.
No,
This
I'm
is
in my
traffic
house.
stop.
I'm
This
in
is
my
my
house.
traffic stop.
I'm in my house.
This is my
I'm
traffic
in my
stop.
house,
You
bro.
should not pull
Hey,
me.
Papa. Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, get him off me. What's wrong with him? He's talking about I want to sit in my house.
Listen to me.
This is my house.
Listen.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
Get your hands off me, bro. Get your hands off me. Hey, Papa,
Dude.
get your hands off me, bro.
Stop.
Get your hands off me.
Stop acting
Get
like
your hands off me.
Stop acting like
Bro, you
this.
better get your hands off me.
Get in the car, sir.
You better get your hands off me.
Get in the car.
You better get your hands off me.
For my safety, I'm gonna
You better
put
get
you
your
in
hands
the
off. Come on, bro. You got me fucked up, bro.
Dude.
You got me, I'm in my house, bro.
You know
I'm in my house, bro.
Right now, you're on my
Bro,
traffic
I'm in my
stop.
house, bro.
And you're acting dumb.
Bro, please,
Listen to me.
get your hands off me, bro.
Listen to me.
Can you please get your hands
Listen
off
to me.
What, Papa?
Listen to me.
I'm
traffic
in my house, bro.
Okay, listen, I'm not trying to arrest you for
I'm trying to
obstruction,
go. I'm trying to
but
go
I
to sleep,
got it.
bro.
But you know what? I need you to sit in your car so I
Okay,
can do my
I'm
job.
trying to go to sleep, bro.
Stop.
Bro,
Stop, dude. Do you understand?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
This is you causing all
I'm
this.
trying to go to sleep, bro.
Okay, sit back in the car so I can do my things.
You got a problem, bro.
I got a problem.
Yes, you do.
No, dude.
Yes, you do, bro. You got a problem, bro. Okay, I'm good, Papa. Oh, yeah, I remember you.
How do you remember?
Yeah, yes, I remember. You came here before.
I came here.
Yes, you did.
Alright. So what's going on
Oh,
with you?
God, bro. I'm tired.
Okay.
I'm trying to go to sleep.
Why are you driving so
Hey,
fast?
bro, I was only, come on, bro, whatever. Give me the 7 seasons so I can go home. So I can go in. God damn. You say I was speeding.
Yeah, you.
I want you to prove it. I'm going to take it to court. I want you to prove it.
By all means, dude.
Okay, so let me go. I'm trying to go to sleep, bro. I've been working all night. I'm trying to go to sleep.
I can't let you go right now. I gotta wait on somebody else.
Oh, I bet you do.
I gotta wait on somebody else.
Okay, the way I'm acting. The way I'm acting in my own.
Are you not acting?
Hey, come on, bro. Come on. Like, I'm tired of this dude, man. Hey, call the lawyer, bro.
For a second, please. Okay?
Act on with it. Everything will be fine.
All right. I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Just trying to get you
I'm
to calm down,
good.
dude.
Okay, I'm good.
All right.
I'm just trying to go to sleep, bro. I'm tired.
I got it. I'm tired too, but you know what? I'm not acting like you, man.
No, you the one. You.
I stopped you because you.
Okay, well, you're right. I'm acting like you.
Yeah.
I'm acting like you. I'm
not acting like
no, because you're.
You're acting completely irrational.
Because you're acting like an ass, bro.
You're acting completely
What?
irrational. This is my
I'm
traffic.
good. Okay, it's your traffic license. Okay,
I got it.
you're good.
Man, I know he driving the old timer crazy, man. Papa, man, call the lawyer. You know, man, this guy probably ain't got a pot to piss in, man. You're like, come on, man. Like, he should be ashamed of himself acting like that, man. For a speeding ticket, come on. All right, take the ticket, keep it pushing. Like, That's it. It's gonna be a ticket. Well, it was gonna be a ticket until he started acting like that. Then he had to put hands on him and all that. So he is going to jail. He going to jail. That's why they waiting on the backup and stuff. But you know, initially it would have just been a ticket.
Hey, I dragged you north.
Bro, I'm trying to go to sleep. I'm tired.
I know.
Okay. You good. I'm good. I'm good, Papa. I'm good.
Your license good?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Man, I go betting on you, okay? I'm not trying to do this.
I'm sorry,
but
bro.
You know what? It's
We're good.
We're in this situation.
Yeah, I know. We're good. Yeah, we're good. No, we're good. I'm good.
You can't act like this.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm just tired, bro. And everyone's.
But you know what? You gotta act rational. Because you know what? This is what makes the rental car or is your car?
Yeah, that's right. Some dude ran into the back of the car and the whole guy back window. It's the third time it's gonna be in the shop. I'm so tired of that car. It's nothing but bad luck. Hey, what you doing in my shit, bro? What you doing in my shit?
20 feet, man.
This is illegal work. This is illegal searching.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Listen, man.
Hey, Papa! Hey, Papa!
Stop.
Papa.
Stop.
Hey, Papa! Hey, Papa! Papa!
Come on up,
Papa! Hey, Papa!
Fire to the office.
Bro, don't put your hands on me, bro. Come on, don't put your hands on me, bro.
Come out.
Hey, Papa! Hey, Papa!
Get out.
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro?
Sir, get out.
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro?
Get out.
What's wrong with you? Why you hitting me, bro? Ain't nobody hit you. Why you hitting me, bro? Why you hitting me, bro?
Resisting.
Why you hitting me, bro?
Get out and stop resisting.
Why you hitting me, bro? Why you hitting me, bro? Why did you hit me, bro? Why did you hit me, bro? Why did you hit you, bro? Why did you hit me? Don't make me clock you, bro. Why did you hit me, bro? Hit you. Why did you hit me, bro? Why did you hit me, bro? Why did you hit me?
Stop resisting.
Relax.
Relax. We're gonna listen. We're gonna get
Shoot the shit out of you, bro. Shoot the shit out of you, bro. Bro, what's wrong with you, bro? Hey, bro, you straight?
Oh my God. I know the neighbors are pissed. 3 o'clock in the morning and the horn keep going off. Beep, 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 beep. Yo, the neighbors is pissed. I would be pissed, bro. I would be so tight. Like, yo, what is that sound? Imagine being woken up to beep, 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 beep. I would be like, what? Who is at my house, man? What?
I'm not doing anything.
You're resisting.
I'm trying to get out of here, bro.
Stop it.
You hit me, bro. What's wrong with you, bro?
Stop it,
Bro,
bro.
what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, bro? I'm trying not. He's trying to break my arm. What is wrong with you? Bro, what is wrong with you? Bro, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
Relax.
Bro, what is wrong with you?
Relax. You're making it worse.
Bro, if you hit me, I swear to God.
We're gonna hit you.
Bro, what is wrong with you, bro?
Relax.
Give us
Bro,
your
what is
hand
wrong
now.
with you, bro?
Put your arm around your back.
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro? In my mother's house?
We good. Boss man, look
In my
at
house? You got me f***ed up, bro.
Boss man, look at me.
Relax, y'all started this shit.
Dude, relax. I got you.
Y'all started this shit. Shoot this out of this fuck ass crack.
Where's it going?
Right here. See, you got me. Hey, bro, if you put some more force in, I ain't doing shit, bro.
I'm telling you right now.
What ain't happening?
Take your time.
Take your toe. You can I got bitch slaves on. And I got respect.
What's your name, boss?
Fuck, you know my goddamn name. Fuck you.
We just got here, man.
I'm trying to get to sleep. This motherfucker with this dumb ass shit.
Have a seat.
Stupid ass crack now. Don't worry. What? What you say? What did you just say?
You didn't say nothing.
What did you just say?
Relax.
What did you just say? What did you just say?
I'm not talking to you. Be in the car. I'm not talking to you.
It's in the passenger. It's on the floor. Hey, call the lawyer. What? What you mean? Bitch, you ain't got shit. You lawyer, you a po ass sucker. Bro, I got way more than you, bitch.
Lawyer. Worry about that.
You a po ass.
Worry about
Po ass. Yo, we. You started all this dumb ass shit when I tried to go to sleep. This dumb ass motherfucker right here.
How does he do it?
Man, I'm gonna go, bro. Let me see. I'm kind of calm down. Can I get my bro?
You can get your bread.
Okay.
That's why we wanted to get you up.
Just have this in there.
Hey, Papa, can you bring me some water? I'm thirsty as please. I'm having a seat, bro.
What the fuck? The video end like that? What channel is this again? Oh, WrestleMania. Damn. Okay. Like no real narration or not. No real. Okay. All right. Yeah. I guess. Oh man. Entitlement, man. The whole time, you know, I didn't hear him not one time take accountability for his actions because this all started over him speeding. And not one time he's just like, man, this is dumb, da 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 da, blah blah blah. If he wasn't speeding, this would have never happened. And that's pretty much, it's as simple as that.